So guys, let's get unboxing. Whoa.
Well, it's a box inside of a box. We can get this out of here.
But how?
So you know what? Let's do,
Flipping it open?
let's do that one first.
Okay, let's see this.
Can you get it? Oh, don't bust it. Hold on. It goes up.
Oh.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there we go. All
Whoa.
right, what do we got here? We got, that's just PlayStation VR demo disc.
What is this?
What is that?
It's like a
Oh,
little...
those are lens cleaners. We got lens cleaners. Good.
And then
What do we got here?
we got the little pins.
These are the motion controls.
Motion controls. It has a rubber band around it.
Stuff like that. Don't open them.
Okay.
Leave them in the packaging.
And then we'll do it at the end.
Close that one.
You
Yeah.
have to build this thing?
No, I don't
Is
think
this
so.
like a...
Oh goodness, maybe. Wait, hold on.
Oh. What? I hit myself at the wall.
Power cord,
More.
HDMI cable.
Oh. A box. Or is it not a
Not entirely sure what that is. This looks like the PlayStation camera.
Are these like headphone thingies?
Oh yeah, they are headphones. I guess you can use any kind of head. Oh, those are much nicer than most headphones you find in these things.
Ooh.
Usually all cheap.
Oh, this thing's already open.
That's okay. I think, what is this? That's why they have instructions.
There's
because-
something under this.
What? Oh yeah. You don't know what that is, Cameron?
No.
Let's open it up and find out. Careful with it. There it is. Makes you look like a space alien. Let's see. Come here. How does this work? Okay, it goes like that. Wait a minute. Why? Oh. When did they come up with wireless everything, right? Come here, let's see if we make it look like a space alien. Wait. Okay.
Do I look like one? Comment down below.
All right. We'll get back to you as soon as we get all this sorted out.
So guys, we did it. My dad is an exceptional. Look.
Are your headphones no?
Looks-
Oh, hon, you gotta put this on and see this.
I want to see it.
Wait.
Okay, I'm so creeped out.
Okay. Put that on. Wait, not yet. Hold on, Cameron.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's not all of it yet. Hold on, dear. Give me the.
There's like a planet.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey, stop, Cameron.
Hey, buddy.
Is it tight?
Yeah,
Can you see?
yeah.
Pretty good? Okay.
It's all like blue or something.
What do you see, Maggie? Tell us.
I feel like, oh, what am I doing? How do I play this?
Look at the different ones. Pick one to play.
This one.
All right, push X.
Oh, this one.
Cameron, what do you see?
I don't know. I see like a house and some like TV and some animals around it. And some cactuses and a...
So it's like a game?
Yeah.
Controller use.
Hold X. Stand in the same way.
It's all dark now. Whoa.
I bet you that was pretty good in there.
You can see behind you?
Yes.
Can you see up?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What is that like an eagle? Oh, he pooped on me.
Can you... What?
He pooped on it. It's gone.
Can you see down? What's under?
There's like a dress on me.
There's a dress?
Yes.
I thought you were a little robot.
No, I did a dress.
You're in a dress?
Let's see. Hold
It
on.
says push this up. What's the thing? Push it up.
Rookie. Push that, Cameron.
Isn't it funny that Rookie is one of her many nicknames?
What do I do?
I think I make.
Oh,
That make no. Everything makes noise?
yes.
I have no idea what to do. I'm not in there. I can't see.
Oh, let's press on that. There we go. Oh no, look. There's a little guy that fell. How do I go around?
I don't know.
What's happening now?
It all blasted.
Oh goodness.
Oh! There's a car.
Oh, okay, now let's see. The guy with the yellow hat and the patch in his eye and an X on his cheek. I think that's the one you need to get.
Yes, that's the one I need to get.
Did you get him yet?
The game's over.
Oh no, does that mean she lost?
No.
Oh!
Play again. We're not quitters.
So guys, I really love this Space Station VR. I got to see all around me. I was wearing a poncho. And don't forget to subscribe, like the like button, and see y'all next time.